Alright, so I'm going to replace the top bearing in this agitator here. It's a Rossmore agitator, and the top bearing is inside there. How I know it's bad is if I stick a bar in and wiggle it, I get a good lot of wiggle out of it. It's not terrible bad yet, but bad enough. Let's just see here now. Yeah, good bit in it. So to do that, take off the bottom plate here, take off the two nuts off the shaft inside there, take off the little joint there, the rubber donut, and pull the shaft down the bottom of it. So I will. So that's it. So all I did there was I ripped the back cover off of it. You can see the back cover down there on the ground. You can see the impeller there. So what I did was I ripped that back cover. I took off them nuts there off the shaft that were holding on the bearing or holding the shaft onto the bearing, and then I pulled the shaft back out the bottom of it here. What I must do now is I must get in there and open off the bearing carrier. Pillow block kind of a bearing. Just open off that carrier, and then I must pull the inner race off the shaft. I'd say it's gone back along with the shaft there, so I'll either pull out the shaft and pull the inner race off it, or I'll pull it forward here and take off the gearbox and pull it. Hopefully I don't have to take off the gearbox. I just pull the shaft out the bottom. Let's see. That's the next thing now. So there's the shaft out, that's where the bearing was. Come down the bottom here. You'll notice the bushing in the bottom is gone as well. It's coming out through the side of the pipe there. See, the pipe is damaged here. So we'll have to put a new bushing in it there as well. I'll have to make one tomorrow. And then that's the shaft there. Obviously it goes up inside there. And you can see the damage there. You can see out through the side wall of it. Goes all the way up, and the bearing comes out the top. Now where did I leave the bearing? I had the bearing there a second ago.